afternoon, Master. Welcome to the world of sense. Sensation.
Alluring diaries is here. So, what are you waiting for? In those days, there was a Greek aroma. Then came the Greek aphora. Now, we introduce you alluring diaries. The Roman perfume. It's such a perfume. Oh my God.
Sorry.
It all began after the contact of the Romans with the other civilizations, their conquest after the other lands. The educated slaves that the Romans brought will make impact upon their lives. And thus, the Greco-Roman educational system was born, and the start of the rise of alluring deities began.
Good afternoon, Master. If you want to experience the fragrance that explodes into your body, try the new Jupiter's Viewer. This perfume has two purposes. The first purpose of this perfume is for the oratorical, to improve our public speaking, perfection in public speaking, and debate global distress with moral virtues. To become an educated man, you must have first, this kind of perfume. Second, moral character. Third, broad knowledge, and last, you must have the ability to speak. And the second purpose of this perfume is for the civic purpose, to train the student for public service. This Tito Quintillas recognized that the ideally educated man was a narrator who used his learning for public service. This perfume is formulated by four great companies, namely School of Literature or Teacher of Letters, School of Dramatic Literature, School of or Teacher of Letters, School of Dramatic or Teacher of Grammar, School of Rhetoric or Teacher of Rhetoric, and that they name you.
Venus kiss. It's not just about perfume. It's an entrapment. So forget about your long hair. Forget about your high heels. Forget about your makeup. Because alluring diaries is here. Try and introducing Venus kiss. It is the most outstanding time in the time of Romans. Yes, and because they have public speaking and debate, that's why they use this Venus kiss. This Venus kiss will give you constant, long-lasting fragrance that will give you confidence to speak in front of the crowd. So it contains 12 tables, formula that will make you as great as homework to make points. If you want to avail this product, just dial 7675777 or visit our website at www.alluringdiaries.com. And for the boys and girls 7 to 10 years old who entered the School of Literature, you must have Venus kiss. And for the boys and girls ages 10 to 16 years old, you must really have Jupiter's Viewer. But how about boys ages 16 or older who enter the School of Rhetoric? You must have Minerva Seduction. And for those who hurdle for the School of Rhetoric, went to the Athenaeum for a professional course, I have here the young sensation. It will give you an extraordinary aura that will catch the attention of everyone. And it also has the love soul that will catch the heart of the one you love. So if you want to avail this product, you must dial 7677777.
Talaga niya.
Or visit our website, alluringdiaries.com. If you want to use this product, you will have the following benefits of the student-centered approach, the humanistic approach, the recognition of multi-purpose intelligence, and the proper selection of educators. And lastly, we have Julius Caesar. Julius Caesar is established in Rome where
in Rome where private schools supported this product. Julienne advocated this establishment for students. And the first emperor, Vespasian, ordered this product for the rhetorician. Later, Hadrian earlier, 425 AD, established this hospital.
If you want to avail this, all products, yes, if you want to avail all this type of product, just dial 7675777 or visit our website at www.alluringdiabetes.com.